Let's go there. Yes, so that's a good mega to a go be a dog for the be a logo. I don't trust you, man. I just a secretary. Be a logo. I see well, but you get the law and the code. No, God, you are cool. What can not tell you here one? The adulterous map part 1 or 2, 2022. Share this video, you get what? This is like I got the hot tea for hand. Now, the another face of the adulterous woman. Waginotagata. Not where you can no matter okay. If you want cake. I'm all your little. Oh, you get me now. I get your baby. Oh, nega, baby. Baby, I'm wrong with you. Oh, yeah. I love your back. From my baby, I love your back. I love your logo. Love you, no baby. Oh, let's share this video. Share it for me. Igewa. Ogboa. Sister, when we will know you. I mean, like UK. We are going to UK now. In Atiosi, the adulterous woman in UK in Atiosi, Oziawe Poniana. A monicalobolobo, here with Yosi. Our she welle, in Atiosi. I Allez, potok, bekous. Et arrête yozi. La bombe que n'a joué. Ni amie que n'a joué. Nous dessous. Nous débobons. Agabagebe. Oh, rien, c'est. Obrigado. Oh, oui, share this video, guys. Oh, we have a young move on, say, move in your one, also. Move on, say, move in your one, go. Yahweh, brother, star, majesty, toy. Ura era mondo ure. Oh, bana fina we na pine. Iya ye wa yo brother. Oh, iya ye wa your sister. Isaga. Go sit down. Sit down there. Eh? Isaga wa ya. Australia. Isaga wa ya. Isaga ya. Emma wa mi gari. Oh, Musaga. Oh my God, Oh yeah, share the video. Let's go there. One way, congratulations. Yeah, when I keep on the good work. Why you? I greet you now. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on which of the country where they watch me from. May God bless you of us there they watch me. I bet when I share this video, what's the hot? For those of you who never know my name, I'm from Victor. The social media king. The social media anyone, the social media OBC. The social media Otutunomono. The social media boss. The social media Aviadele. The social media Elikiba. The social media Odafi Wedo here. The social media a helper to all single mothers. The social media Guinea man. Now, I just do my drink. I want you. My word don't plenty. My title don't plenty. The social media Adolohe. To repair. Oh God. Now, today we are going to UK. Yes. So our visa already, as we talk now, we don't the UK. Even though say we want to go meet people, we not the UK for UK. But there's nevertheless we need to go to UK so that we go make the day okay. Because some people the UK as we speak now, they don't do okay. When I see this married woman, where did this my screen so? This adulterous married man. This is the married woman, the adulterous woman part 1 and 2. What get otagata you he? Efene keki. Ovia lagbi. No ga Roma, mama Roma. Ovia rubi. Nevio wodoya. Avia ikunia yeti kodo. Iye maganya dafiya. Ya segbe. Oviu seluge. Monica actually no be dokpolo. Na me wera or this virgin e gbo han. Kwadan yo. Kada na kwa ario di na kwa yota. If you don't know what guy, I get bubble. I see the hot. What? The remaining part of the man but complete me. I greet you now with better style. Please, guys, share this video. Let's see and let me explain the reason why Takata sell the house. If she really sell the house, the reason of she selling the house, and I will tell you guys the reason of the people in that environment why they are selling their house in Okokugbo, Opa Eruse, where Takata build house put. Any said, there is time for everything. When she came out categorically to be fooling herself on social media, saying she don't sell house, they call her husband brother, elder brother. She has no respect. In a Vijega like me, or we bright the was a bright go in now. When we life now, karma is real. Any like media because of Honia Bugbe. Any Waginotata, except like social media because of Hoda, a head done in Waginotata Yevin or Bugbe. Eva koi Aro Wagmona. What are you doing, guy? I read the right you can do okay. What can you talk about? Can you make more than a favor? Okay, no, I guess Sandra. No, when you Waginotata because anyway. Or say or too much you or not you know not the above Wagino Tata. Ekise no gwado. Now after that, and share this video to Waginotata Yui, one of UK. The Adulterous Woman, part 1 and 2, 2022. Now we moto or that for the woman get breaths. If you have the Wahadege Ukunisi Kayama, activities the center one, that is the drug. We breath this one with the upsu. Where husband they take before he bola the stand. Now that drugs, now the husband they take before he bola go stand. Or when the MF1, or hakbaron on the energy, eco energy. Eco energy. Waginotata, tota. Ugalela diaudia, ugalela go, too much to go. Whosoever you follow, determine where you fall on. E Monica no, don't get dead yet, no get zaga ne. I don't know that happy way. Do I roll yet bed? Nukuma one ya homo do, no ya homo zuo. Cause all dog we or zuo, we only. E bratty fo, ya get bratty. Now what's in here we wait? Or be the 6-pack, net pack or given. You get be destiny. Ujoge mweli ya gweze. Omono we ni bi wale man yiri awa mo ari aga ya lewa. Wa ya ni gimena. O he no gi biene. Ra o he no gi biemo bia na ro biemo ko ne. Ayo o bia o yo ko de e bright na ri e fe mo keki no wo yan gina tagata yuhi. Ko gba bo yen wo ni yen mo da gbo bia no de no o bia no da gin ya. Ari aga ya wo ni wa. O ge mane. Da wa le no bon. Awe tejinye ho dogobu, tejinye zobo ose, erejinye le okehin azugbene. Erejinye friend obu, erejinye wona no do yebo, no ya mwe yuwaria. Iwa boga la woni bi. Iya mi je ga suhun wa gbise yo. Wa do le kin alagbi wo biye ni ya je break ya kin ya UK. E wa gina ta bo wa. Rather, iya woda fun bo wa. Ye na gbe ni yo wa. Wa gino tagata yuhi. Oda fun na kin boy. E fe mo ki ga ro wa. O taye kete bu wa e. Oda fun na ro poto. As a house boy. Now, what's here ni wa gino tagata na yo wa? If you do, that's a question mark. Underline that place. Why did Waginotagata show the house that she showed on social media? No more give Monica do ya azu a live video. The Waginotagata go here. Mama, share this video. Share this video. You get why? I will continue to expose these stupid women who always come. They will not say they're stupid. They will still come on social media and call it rant. Now, my people, on a more reasonable sense, if I get property, I say I don't like that property, or the narration of that property is too much, I decide to sell it off. Now my money, not be anybody money. I can decide to sell it off. I don't have to come to social media to call the post and say, hey, Monica, come here, see the house, when they mock me, I don't sell land more. It don't really make sense, make you look like children, you want rain, I go make you popular. That popularity when you define will give on to you, but it's going to be in the bad side. A lot of people popular on this media through the good side. On this my platform, when they bring people here, they praise them of the goodies what they don't do, the people what they help, how they help the less privileged out there. When they praise them, when they worship them, when they give the kudos, we do all things here. But you become a stupid and nuisance, will bring you and will disgrace you because that's the bad thing many of our women they copy from. Because of the stupidity of Monica, a lot of people are copying from Monica. They are copying the bad side, the adulterous side of Monica. When the book copy, that's why you see many for our women now. They use Dido, where prick, they are available. They use Zoba prick. Married women for the matter. You cannot tell me you are a married woman and then you want to. Oh, that's an adulterous. That's an abomination. I want Anu hela maveki, ekelama, anu hela ma. What will hela mai? Because Wahala is private. Wahala is a very private thing. No matter na me anyhow. Wahala is a very private thing. No matter na me anyhow. If Wahala wake dream lama ki why other way you can't do Wahala. But what de ke lama? What's na mi Wahala meki? E ona mi ku bani ho e anya no helele kan li ku e ba we ya. Me mo like beke yeso we awo by gun. Iwo ni wi aro wodo. Avie ni pokoa. Avie mwekoa. O hanjo dogun agbe obo na ye. Odo ogun won de ron ni pe webo. O hanjo da gun webo aga what your gbale gbene. Men become a slave to women. Especially no wa ho. Kuna we yan go. Yan be ka gege ma gbia ga fi go gien bo wa. Wa gina ta yu he. Everything wina you need. Oh, wina balance akare everything be obu. Everything messy. Wa gina ta o tin yu mo everything mo ade obu. O won yu mo everything mo gina ta ade obu. E family yan we owi owa origin bi autorigin eyan rien eyan we everything ade obu. We don't know who to believe again. Wa gina ta di everything akala. Everything yes was what. Everything dey go to etin ehun. On dey go to ehun. A break nagrikba ne boy te ye mama no me weight lifter e bet ye na oye mude we agwa abagin ni kiezi as young as that guy e kiare na wa wu e ka enu na o diabetes no. I have your audio. I have all your audio where you recorded your husband. It's still me here. What does that tell me? Stupid woman. Okbia agwa wonu. Ohange ba body gwa ohwa mo ye ye hajon ohwa condition we webo obewa gilotata ona sun. A family na rowodo. These are family who are not they can never be married. Yeah, married must ogenya dafiya. It's inheritance. It's a lineage that follow them. It's a lineage, all the lineage here with you, they follow them. And their character, they can never change. If you were here, oh no, it's a problem. Tia beroto, unless you done it. Go and check. Go and check what I'm saying now. If we are they know what I'm saying now. They know what you are passing through. Many of our men are buying before abroad here. Many of our men know they feel they talk again. If you don't mudia se man no si agbada gwamunu ayi ko na yuhe muyan ya iya yuhe muyan ya iya mi o no wa ma iya ayi golo ya mu he na ya we iya ga mi okpia okwo na mi we odakun mudia gbegbe owo mi na okpia oginya ti mudia ya yuhe mu oginya ya yoge mu oginya ya ebi ni agolo just a trust oginya na mi e ma na we na ya sia iya shop ya hu dokpe no pe ni mu de no ya agwa when I go now a lesbian will not be UK. If you are going to say lesbian, tiens la bohe. Mais nous connaissons quoi dans? On ne regarde c'est lesbobo et lesblo lesboloco lesbolabolo. I don't my drink. I want you. I don't block anybody. I just keep my life go normally. No distraction. Nobody can distract me. Now, share this video, guys. Let me bust your bubble to this cool afternoon or morning about Waginotata house that was sold. Why I tell you, I told you, man, no, who are zoo. But do I? Any time, man. Or it's a live video. Or the right way live video. Or the Yanako. Or do I zoo or live video? Or do I zoo or live video? What ye? No, down here. Waginotata said the house where there for. Why he said the house? He don't tell you why he said that. Or now come on social media. Can't use much fear with you. He don't tell you the reason why he said the house. Keke ni ebo why? Keke no ti ebo why no be ni ati ege. Ni ati hotel ni no na. Ofane jobi. And then your mom's house and then motherless baby home. Why don't you video your house? Video the compound, video the outside of the house, video the street of the house, and show it on social media. And tell the whole world how much is in that house. And why that money cheap like that, why that house cheap like that. Then you are coming out to cast style on social media. Tell me the whole world you have money. Tell me the whole world you want to cheap very on. You try social media. Because you brought it to social media, I will help you analyze them. And I will help you go around. Let me press the house. You forget. I press the house. Oh yeah? As you claim, so you said you have. My people, when I help me ask Waginotagata, when last did Waginotagata drive car to that house? Waginotagata, tell the world when last you drive car to that so-called house you call the house. One, tell the world. I hate lies. The reason why I spark my head is see, una go the lie, no know where the truth be. What do lie? What I told you social media? Why you that house? You don't carry car enter that compound. Why cannot they reach that house? Because no road to that house. Where we're gonna talk the so-called rest of those stupid UK ni made okay ni ho one ni UK ni we are dot away. You will quick me. There's a particular spot where all of them they park their car. They're going to use that to go house. Hey, Jando. Tell the world when they park your motor put under the mango. When they park motor put for Epa Eddie, for where they can pay for the load for Epa Eddie. All of them. Now when they park motor put, they're going to use that to go house. No road to the environment where you are going to build house put. It's a condemned area. It's an abandoned area. It's a raw erosion career. I want to hear that lucky what you got originally got wookie. Or like being a wookie. I can say we can't where you go. This is a man will be saying that area boy they follow the talk. You want to follow me? Come talk for social media. Make I describe every details. Give you. Hello? 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 I greet you. Now me to talk to. I don't like it, you know the speaker. Alright. God bless you. Say you are right. That area is bad. Epa Eddie, can you pack moto yi? Epa Eddie. Hello?
Hello, bye with this man. Not put up on speaker. Now you say what I want to say.
Oh yeah, wait me and move on speaker. Wait me and move on speaker. Oh yeah, talk to me. No deal. Rolo soto koto. Calculate. Calculation. This one lado. No, not this speaker. Don't worry, I'll call you. Let me go call you back. Let me go call you. I'll call you, no worry, I'll call you. Yeah. I'm not go to this social media. This social media is gentle now. Why do I do those social media? But yeah, the media coming now. No matter to start this video now. Calculative. I have to now. This is a calculative. Chai. chai. Sakara waton. Oton. Skolobo shata. Locomotive Moscow. Now, my people, I greet you all better star. Oh God. One no again on tire you hey. You come, you bold. Some women don't really get shame. Some women don't get shame. Wait till you know, say you do. You dey fuck around. What do you know say you do to your husband? You still get shame. You swallow your shame. You come and they call the talk. Yeah, you don't say hassle. Christopher, they call Christopher. See the medicine where your own husband is swallowed before he prick stand. Where diabetes. Or what other for so now diabetes by your husband, bola, we make your husband bola not stand up. So doctor they prescribe drugs for make it take before he bola go to stand up. Hey, man, we boo. That's it. We back. When I see people say, some of our men they pass through when you marry the wrong woman. When you marry those women who always like to sit on their husband's throne. They want to be the father, they want to be the mother at the same time. The children does not respect the man. The man is like a slave in the house. That is bright for you. Now, bright go sweep for house. We are in daughters where baby girls do. Now, bright go the wash plate for kitchen. Where he gets 7 good children for UK. 7 children. You will still go to kitchen, go to wash plate. The so-called tagata you go sit down for palo while the husband go take kitchen the wash plate. Go they make up with monicalobolobo. He go hang full like this, they wash useless at all no go. The husband go take kitchen, the wash plates. They don't say man, no, they help woman. There are some things man have to do at the right time. You do this at the right time. It must not be a compulsory. Say that the man duty. Especially when the man they see the work. He spoiled that man. He finished that man. You know truth, I greet you. God bless you, my brother. How can you imagine? Our women were not be all. You see this particular woman where you're up to. This particular woman where you're up to. When they say some women, they be Jezebel. This one, not you not chop for anywhere. That put my hand. That put my foot chest. I think they talk. The mother was dragging this man, this native daughter with man for the friend. Azuk Bene. If they drag her with Lovett OKH for Benin. If man buy Jeep, black Jeep, give Azuk Bene make the drive. Because the man a human trafficker for abroad here. Now this same woman, and this is here, man. I know my house for you. And the talk and aroma here for the talk. Using our girls for prostitution for this woman here. 85% of those girls that she used for prostitution, some of them are the day Sweden. Ola Kokodok Park some go Sweden. Go to use them for Sweden. For prostitution too. If you not allow me to open my leg for this country, in fact, if I open my leg, see where I pin down. I all pin. If you not allow me to open my leg, I go disgrace you na finish. Because you see this family, this wag, tagataso, when they say person, when they say woman useless, now she be the yard of useless. Go look the husband. Many of them know your husband. Una know the husband. The man they carry weight. Now weight lifter. His chest heavy. Go look at her. It be like bones. He come be like a dodo. His husband. This woman husband. He get club with there for UK there. He get club with the husband day for UK. All those men with the club. They look like Mugu. Then they look at the husband like fool. Because the way this woman they treat the man, it invests all those men. Then they power for the man. Then they power for the man. Who spoiled this woman like that? Monica. After the Jezebel. He condemned many of our women for abroad. He Kadade, give them one stupid name. GPC, Ekia Magwalo. GPC, Ekia Magwalo. GPC, Ekia Magwalo. GPC, Ekia no Konko Magwalo. Then one people they say gallant, peaceful, gallant commenters. Gallant, peaceful commenters. GPC, gallant, peaceful commenters. Now be the full meaning of GPC, but they are the demonic, useless, stupid, troublesome commenters. Useless, demonic, troublesome, hiding other fake account commenters. That is GPC for you. Adulterous women. You will see women that are frustrated. Women that use our children for human trafficking. 9 months that place. Now food that did do better. No. See the way you use your husband, stupid. You turn your husband to rag. The husband is not man enough. I first can't start number. If na me marry God forbid, marry person like Monekia, you for don't go give me DNA test for J-boy. Not be joke. Not be joke. You for don't go bring DNA test come. Or Bo is saying in a human rights activist, in a fight for the less privileged. He never fight for himself now. See now, Bo don't cry come out now say. He say make you go bring DNA test for the twins baby where you're really born. In the day of 60 years, born twins for abroad. He goes and may go bring DNA test come. Because the man not the one that say, I ain't born this speaking. How come? When I sleep with you, the man don't know the cry for social media. The man even call police for his wife. My wife, police don't carry wife for months. For whole lot though. Nothing way our women don't go turn us to for abroad. You see this one? They don't go fit talk how many times this idiot, this one they also don't call police for your husband for UK. For UK, because of Wahala, police for UK warn Nigerian women not ever call them again. Police for UK, because of this woman where they up so this Wahala, you hear police warn Nigerian women. They send a message via media, via email, through their news, their television house. Send a message to Nigerian women who are based in the United Kingdom to stop calling police on a little misunderstanding between them and their husband. Do you know how many men have been frustrated in the UK? All because of people like this. How they use less of me for UK. This woman go sell house, will be say, road, not the reach the house. Erosion just spoil the road. No road for Oguyoko, no road for Hogugbo, Ikwikbe, no road. No road. We say we get government too. No road. God is down, no road. Ikwikbe, no road. This one they go, if they go in house, they park in motor under mango tree, where they can pay for the load for Upper Eruse. Upper Eruse, now there they park in car put. Now the same woman go carry, it doesn't no level. It goes sell the house, maybe go buy land, build house from another place, so say it's motorable. Now this one they come to show me that they call the talk, say, in that side the house, now they come and say, I don't trust man. Madam, will you shut up and get this? I mean, they shame. You don't supposed to be talk, you're supposed to get shame. Una will not get niente for Nigeria. Now make math pass. Now make math pass. Most people, 65% of the people in Igwikbe, all they don't sell their house, they don't leave their house. All the Hogbo, where you build a house for Hogbo, most people they sell their house, they live, they borrow, they live. No road, no day. Government don't know say now only when election they come, they find vote for that side. All the government will don't come for it. How many of them don't work for Igukbe? How many government don't work for Ogbo? Yeah, Obi say it be like community will not get, you don't even get what do they call it? Senator or what do they call the community chairman? It be like community will not even know anything like level for government. They don't even put all time to go give the rights now, no level. Everywhere, water spoil everywhere. Keke na peg go they spoil. Now only keke na peg they reach that side. Keke na peg go sink for a side ocean. It's a poto for Hogbo where this woman go build her foot. Now then sister still go build her foot. Sister go build the I want some motherless baby home for Hogbo. No road, everywhere spoil. If you go that side, it get where keke for the load for upper Eruse. Now they car they work drive the reach. You pack her, you trek, go, you swim for the go. Now she go sell a water house. I don't know whether a boat you build. House where you build, we say they go just touch her. House your hand go your roof level. Your hand you were there abroad, you go build house, you go build house that water, your hand go your roof level. And you go see come in there, call they make mouth. When you call they make mouth, I'll just look this place. I will born all this mugu. Why not get sense? If you want to become president, sit down for live video, you get platform. You get platform, sit down, make it do live video. Now make bawayo. I will go bury do. I want jig when I want it. I will put up bekus. Useless women cannot respect their husband. Stupid negative women, sad illiterate women, will not go school. We come abroad, when they are married, come abroad, do a shower. And she well. Yeah, people will not get shame for head. You will not like the truth, it's the truth. When you are young, once you not get shame, to the extent your husband, Bola, you fall down. You brought down the hero of that man down. May God not let the 3 leg where God give me on this life, the 3 leg, may no one die before any other one. Yes, sir. May no one die. If even these two die, this center one is very important. You need to be very active because cripple they see wife. The center one need to be very, very active. Waiting woman is fetish. Look for my body. Now the center verbal. If your center leg is not active, you will go wrong. Hello? 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 I reached you. Good morning. Good afternoon, bro. Oh, me, I put on speaker.
Put on speaker.
Yeah, this speaker.
That ball of that zone,
yeah,
a very bad zone. It okay. Was good. I never contribute for your this one. It's not the first time. It's good person to say truth.
Yeah.
Other area not just good at all. All this you do play. All of them that ever wrong. No one good. Really. Many people the park car they use letting the trek they go inside their house.
Yes.
If rain fall now, Wahala. Only dry season manage that place till the good small.
God bless you.
That place not good. You don't lie. I just contribute for your this program today. I never contribute once, but you know what you talk so, bros, I all hear you.
Thank you.
I'm fat with your talk.
Thank you. God bless you.
Yeah. One love, brother.
Yeah. The truth is that we have to say, if as you said the house, this one of the things we used to showcase to the world, make our government now know say, not be the motto here that they focus on. And we don't count how much they don't spend for airport road. People were there weak beside, on one side, it plenty persons to airport road. You know how many villages where see they sell people they pass every day. Food most one where they say can they eat. Now those villages they back and they come. But government don't know say without people they exist for that side. You were build us for them. For you to come to social media, let the world know why you sell your house. Because of the bad road, the house where you build, you sell them. People were there abroad, now they'll get house on that side, they sell their house. They find where they want to go. So they would relocate for Benin, they go different country, different states, they go they build house. Then they sell their house for Benin. People they sell their house for Benin now. At me they talk now. I know many houses they might find now where they help me showcase them for sale. They want sell. They want to relocate come for Benin. Because no peace not there. Everywhere blood. Husband now they die. Our women not get husband again because of courtesy. You will sell your house for you to come on live video. Let the world know why you sell your house. Use them to campaign against our government. Instead, they come out, they talk about adulterers. Franvita. And then okay, why now? Now, Mr. You go sell your house. You won't use them and cover up the shame and disgrace what you do. Your adulterous character. When you perform, you want to cover up the shame. So you don't go sell house. You sell the house because of the bad road. Period. If you don't, for those who don't know now, they should know. But not the fix it because they accuse you say you build house, you crest your name for the house. Used because your husband is a slave to you. It will not be because of the one you sell the house. If husband and wife build house, or if now you go build the house, or the normal ground, everything when you get, now the man get on. If that man is really man enough to stand and take responsibility as a husband. But with you, that man not go fix the man enough. Because the way on tell you to do take cook that man, oh why you go mukbianiya? If you wanna wune agbemawa. This is where I tell you for free so. Nobody, no matter go tell you the truth. If una mama never buy, my life not go better. As una this una get house, una get motor, una get gedege, una get panajo, una this una the better. Forget that you. All those things are vanity upon vanity. The real woman in you women are gone, are being seized and used by your mothers. By your mothers. Until you are a woman, before you people glory will be restored back. Your elder sister, now that one to go up dot speaking. After many years in UK, and then they give her paper. They give her one paper, make it they run up and down. After many years, you don't get 7 good children. Why you not give her extra? As a sister, your sister leave you go the adult speaking. We don't go find my own problem. Now they come here, they do support, they do. I support Monica. I understand with Monica. Monica will understand with getting your picking from your bola, from your pekus. They train your picking with the skeleton husband for his house. Una talk about the rain. Oh, we're going to rain. You people are going without saying goodbye. You know, everybody on this video knows Saga. Una good now, but they come and they call, they talk about you now. You guys need to go and work on your life. And the moment you come and hear the moment you zanzauna mama, zanzauna destiny. Now this video, the same Monica, when you declare my now it make me know say your man now show. Now it make us know say your man can do what your man can. Now the same Monica, now come to save you. Now they hide under the umbrella of adulterers. When you are following somebody, you go check your lifestyle. Copy the good things about that person, the resources about that person. Copy. You see the bad side. It's so bad. Since some of our women are now big rich like this. No, the difference between bad and good. The difference between bad and good. This person might not be bad all true. He has his own bad side. He has his own good side. Always try to copy the good side of a man or a woman. Use it, add it to yourself. Use it and integrate yourself. Use it and support yourself. Not the bad side. You be an adulterous woman. Monica an adulterous woman. What are you copying from that woman? But how to use Dido, the shook rubber for Bola, when you are not a lesbian. And now, we come to see and say, you are a lesbian. You are a lesbian. I just pray, let this not go further to the children you have. Because the Bible said the sin of the father shall follow the children, even to the generation. When our man use our women, use them anyhow. Some children when finish on a man never see born today. Some women who serve your mother in Europe here as a prostitution, they don't still have charge of their own. As we speak, they are still buried till now. Who's poor person you know the better for her. Karma. Whatever goes around, turn around. You guys go and work on yourself. Enter us, I will be a mama. I'm just talking to this mudan. E Monica wakinotata ni ohuwa. Wakinotata mani why asi aye. When why you walk be at yourself, una use our women to do our show. Even our own king swear put. Still, when they carry girls, they go Dubai. When they sponsor our little girls to Dubai for prostitution. Now this now go better. It will not go better for them. Una go hide. They use agents. They sponsor little girls to Africa country for prostitution. When you guys have documents in your hand, you can work in the country where the real woman when they work. Go spend 6 months for Nigeria. Real working class woman. Go spend 6 months for Nigeria. Which we all know. Say, how many days do they give you? How many weeks do they give you in a month? Make it rest. When you go gather, you come 1 month. When you go spend for Nigeria for a year. Real women and men that are working abroad, they spend 1 month in Nigeria. That 1 month was not just given to them once. That they gather around. Like this month, if you get like 3 days, we don't go to work, we go to rest. You go save them. You go use and work. They keep on. They save and they wait for December. When you want to go Nigeria, go flex to family. But to their own. Like that one they call itself Julie London. That Julie meeting, don't know what. Julie London, yeah. We come again. All those stupid set of daft musicians. They go see all this with the dirty money when they spray give you now. Not gonna use they see like the better person. Stupid illiterate women. All those bumfoo. Go sit down. You go Nigeria, go sit down for 7 months. Ask me which kind of work. Did they have company here in abroad? Care workers. They will come here, they will call the clean person yash for abroad. They clean the yash. They will call the clean the yash for abroad here. They will reach Nigeria. Where they make their own money is from through human prostitution, trafficking. Trafficking. That one come out, you go to Dubai. Someone go to Dubai for Dubai, go draw money. Una ya see go to Dubai. Why would I hear we are seeing human trafficking? Oh God. I just did my drink. I want young. As soon as I call my attention, and I will answer you guys. She says then, I have to go do my find this. Why this man said this house? Why this man said this house? Nobody for them will know. Make me even call the community man. The community man will call it for a column. Now, vice, I will call him. I just use and cover the look now. Say, don't still be this woman, me and lock up. Because I don't marry. As I marry, I say, make I give all this woman breeze. Make the breeze enter their body. We don't want the phone bows. We don't want the phone bows. Because I don't get where I focus. Okay, make I just see free them. Make they just enjoy themselves. And make me pin down since then. But the one I call them misbehave now, like someone bring me back to my office. And if I went to my office, now what to no get peace. No me. When the mother UK no one who why let peace? Anyway, I want again one the peace yaru wa gbina. No one like no. Because you do anyhow. The care we have started beat now. If you know me for us, I never throw away. If you start this stupid character, this is a adulterous issue. When I are clear every Friday and every Saturday, every Sunday. UK women don't use eye they see prick. If they don't use here anywhere party or something. Oh yeah, Emma for welcome Benyo, Ijo ni mobile Joe, daddy. Benny, Emma that's yo, Egboni yo, Aye yo, Amoto Daye, or Jaye. Yoruba men go to use on the press their breast for that party. Yoruba men go to use on the press their breast. This is what they talk about. Small stuff go down. They can drink small stuff for UK. Chagalabasata. Lekwa zeze. Small stuff they had this, small stuff they had this, small stuff. Their husband, they has hope picking for us. Their husband, they has hope picking for us. As you see the suit. Yes, set of women. I want the money. You know if they don't see the particular go Yoruba, they'll be here Yoruba. They are so stupid. If you check 85% of Yoruba women go and check their children. Now I put my eyeglass for female. I tell you this one clear. In that same UK, go check children who are doing fine, perfectly in different organizations for that UK. Now Yoruba children. Yoruba children. Orian, lesbian. The one we see man enter football. My pikin they play football, they for local league. My pikin they play, he never score goals since 10 years. This one they say they're going to help themselves. Now, this useless pumfu, this one they iron and brain. When stretch my gray ahead, no when you're in Monica, no whole one. When on my bush, I'm going to ask them, Olari Agbo, I'm Abus now. Monica say, Ogiwe na we are what we have today. Boss lady. Now we are boss lady of UK Ogiwe. Oh, Sokman. No man Sokman. No na soon. The stupid woman. No what? No that basa of Katayan. Olo show of Katayan. For Italy. For Sicily. Where use nice star person for road work. We take base enter Austria. No yak base in Austria. if I just look this women, I will just look this hotel, I will just bust laugh. She won't come paint that woman good, like say she good. Is there anything I said about that was lie? Will be lie for this social media. I came out to draft the story of the boss. No one can say, boss mom. That woman who call herself boss will get big nose. Who do nose like pig. Which is true. What do you do, Monica? You plan with her to come out on social media to say, Frank, Rita, I'm not driving for husband's house. My husband decided to ask me, choose social media and choose your marriage. You decide to choose social media. So you know that so that they're going to remove I, they're not going to insult them again. These are still GPC members. Why are you paying? Because why? I'm disgracing their house. I'm exposing their atrocity. Some of them you don't even know. Some for inside, you don't know. Then once you're a member, Monica, you dey shock when their story come out. You think say that you know everything. Why me? I give their story and then members you well adian. No sick ko you no marry na here afekodi ni aye no you go ya re wa asian ba you. Okwo no robo do asian ba you. Ni ko re ni ko we ni go ni are. Wanna share this video? May they sit down and listen to their atrocity. Ni are. A real married woman. Now we go your traditional has come to a custom and tradition. You cannot, there are some words he said out of his mouth. It's an abomination. Don't talk of practicing it on social media. You can't say you're a married woman and you are using Dido. Dido is an adulterous woman. You automatically will become an adulterous woman by using Dido to satisfy your sex urge. As a woman. You know, I cook your body now. Marital say, you're so stupid. Wait, do you know how many has Frank does scatter? Do you know how many has Monica ever bought lies with me? How many years did they before I enter abroad? Since when we did this social media, how long have you been on social media and how long did you enter? All the atrocity you have done on this video, have I done that? I don't have. The people who don't saga for this media, I don't do that. May I say where? Look better. We're not mad that I beg here. And not give where I did. And not get second here. Una man not get win or what? Una man that I beg here. Only beg here on social media. He told the social media beggar. Anybody not come to your territory who must muere ya kwese. They don't hear that. All said who was ever said where back we might be. Married man or what you him when we who had do hey avant or green ota or yellow. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Stupid woman. Akmola nyakan ogbegbe ni kwemu wa salu abagbo babo mangole bingole lu ekwe koda kono imi o oda fun imi o no bogbe oni wa ro wa o engineer ohun dan otuta o back we up lile yawa e bon do fun what do pretend as you are the best babo yan lawe ko dika o ya sun atu ari what asun wa zaga bagbon e go do yer on the arena we no gbera green. Yes, sir. Go and bridge any text. Yes, sir. Get S. Yes, sir. Need S. S sleep with her. Yes, sir. Go medicine. This one sleep with her. Mama, sir. Go bridge any text. I am when I tie social media. As we speak, I am when I tie. Or he said, when una gonna do good and vai. Wa sungu. Away. That boy that you say no wa. I'm gonna rag beka yawe. Usaka me tuwa. Wa go wa bagmo. Wa salwa. Ma gbowe. When more ma gbekwa. When I'm away at Gumegua, you are a bastard. But Bokamura, you are, you are anywhere near you. Nonsense. You hear up your mother money. If I want to young here, here with the money. You have got to a UK or here cripple. Or to a UK or here cripple sticker. I was you, I am nigger to wear. That's why I knew I Delhi motor Sanoma. Why did they cross the motor bogbe? What can I want when I out taxi? He won't run. Just get driving license for you. They go dash you that car for you. You go dash you. It is in their garage. Carry on the group. Make the position that space there. Car will you drive? Then they dash person for Italy. Dash you dash. They don't the back here. If the dash person come for Italy, Ozuo, Mabu weno. Mabu one no now. Sister no you can made okay. Basungu. Wa ma here we puna. Wa. Eme here we puna. Nonsense. On no ya hiwa unda wo dem ma. Erosion house we go build. Go build that erosion house. As erosion carry the house. Odo atawe. And I go send my house Ozuo. Where the voice where? You don't look your voice. Enokbia. Well, we are not going to go on with the everyone, where the voice where your voice don't even this sexy. How I even wonder how this man live with you. How see? I wonder how this man live with you. Ik be agmo ni die that boy na lay. Ik be ni enegbe. If you don't ni enegbe. If you zebu ni enegbe. Ni die that boy ti yan le pion. In what man? Are you why are you okay? No one married up for us. Are you why you okay? We're not going to get time out. You will be time out of mobility. The brethren and when the brethren and where are doctors more part 1 or 2. Time out. Open leg university. Time out. Time the toto. Time the bekus. Time out. Time it for me. Time out. Time it for me. How much in that? 500. Time out. How much in that? 500. What am you? Nonsense. Those was where that video. 10 years. Or no horror. You want to form a fizzy. Or form a go back. I don't want Sagana too much. Because the man is Sagana man, you couldn't hear Korea. Man, if way. Come on, do. That's what the Google men. Miawa, Bedua. Bogo. Adulterous my part 1 or 2. Eh, what you know, Tagata, if ever cake in or you can do okay. What ya no soon with the Roa. Oh, ya, you want to go, Mogo. Oh, mammy, oh, dead last wa. Oh, na ya, you wa. Oh, this is social media. Oh, where? Christopher. Oh, say you knocking wow. Oh, Moswo. Oh, say you knocking wow. Favor kicking. Oh, yeah, can I play one video for now? No, I can't here. I'll deal with you. Oh, God. Let me play one video for now. My only body. I will bring back everything from the beginning to the end. Welcome. I have everything on my phone here. How to try? Don't play. Oh, yeah. Jack Bay, why don't we home?
Now, anyway, I be told only after we find, I will return. We have to report back to the family.
What are you?
But the ring of my but
I'm in the one course.
We're not here. What's up, Ricky? I can't call the direct.
I'm in the course.
If I'm a water life, we know more you like me. I say, why you famous?
yeah. We are getting earlier. It's good to market there direct.
And I can't, the brother can't call it. The call a woman. And so, because I call it, I'm not sure
what's up number? Okay, no, what's up number?
I'm in the one course.
What's up wrong?
The phone number for Victor Goe.
Anywhere no be no.
That is what say like what's up here. Ebola be for don't go. Ebola be for don't go. Very local woman.
Hello.
From Victor level. From Victor, Francamoso, even level. Full family, and even this like the way you gotta hear so now this one be the real God of them all. After this conversation, the real God called me and said this is a bribing and corruption. He said this family with this, why can not go bribe them? Make them call me, convince me, say they don't settle. You understand? I don't know. Let me live video, my beauty camera. My real face, I live video, beauty camera. Master. So when I talk real raw. So that if you see me for real ground. If you see me for real ground, you will see me real like this. Not be I come fair for here. For real ground, I be like Shaku, be like Kwamo. Master. So what we don't know let me follow up. What? Let's listen to them. Utane o, awo post there, what's he talking? Emi lo gbe.
I call it direct. I no ba me na. Me call it. E Christopher mo matter ki. E Christopher no. Wa mi e. I don't need any reply.
You want come you? We're not here. We're not share the video.
No, it's too much. No, I do.
Our long goal. You know why back of hand. But you know the army our last bomb. You know what? This is the one that if you also have me or family, I see I did one. And I'm not going to get it. Don't think. But you know, you know about you. Because then what we say, if I didn't call it. Hey, how we do that? Look at your head now. Look at everybody. They are throwing. Bring your man. We are playing ball. All my throat is dry. We will start celebration. So we drink together, we will eat together. That's why here. So I social media. Hello, speaker. Where I want to call is Mr. Brown. Sorry. Give me my speaker, but I request Benya. Wanna? He said. He didn't want my speaker. I already married you, but he didn't want speaker. Mr. Frank. The government. So, I've been on my meeting here concerning Genotata, the Christopher. Wanna? So my egbe meeting e ma wa yi na igenare avira egu egun a niwe di eme boy you right God second in command.
Emmanuel Wagenota ta vio adi ni do lele ota fun eti onda kun ekun eni ondo agbina na o eni gire na na set ti boda fun Wagenota kata e Wagenota ta ta na my husband believe so not touch am na my husband believe you vie mara ni lo gbina as evil as this one. They plan to settle this issue secretly. See that my husband engineer engineer now is not even the second in command. The first in command who's supposed to stand here as your pack Ben on the hill. Wagenota go use hand, pack this one, give all this one small money. Make them come together, make them gather together. Cause say, in the go swear in your wa. As evil and demonic as this woman. He go gather this people come. Make they come call me for phone. Convince me say, in those way, in your wow. In the adulterous my girl. They don't do the needful. You understand? Unknowing to them say, this same video, I will come talk for social media. After they called me, they talk of it. Immediately I enter live. I can't knock for life, say, Mom is yo. We're gonna talk about go swear in your for Nigeria. Because before that matter, she promised to go to Nigeria, go swear in your for December. Now this one reach there, he go drag some of the down family. Where you know they not still get. Give the small thing, make they gather together, buy here. So they call me for food. Make they tell me say, share clothes, even buy clothes, share clothes, give them. All those clothes where they go to sell. All those cheap clothes where they go to sell from Benin. They deceive our people. Share, give them. Make they come talk, say, in those who anywhere, whereas they never saw anywhere. Now this video reach. After this, as this gather boys, say the ones they come, as they do that, they beat the Christopher website. So waiting for Spain. All of them are gonna go Nigeria. They want to go swear anywhere. Now those boys take falling the compound. Now the fight with the Soviets now. Now, God want punish this woman. May you take no say how the ancestors still invest for her. The senior man, the head, now even chief for palace. Immediately I do the video, say the matter don't question, matter has been settled. Now he come for palace. See, we have matter for the settle. The person will talk just now, see now, second the command. So now all those who want to feel bribe. Waginatata go bribe them. He call Waginatata say, come. May you come swear anywhere. Waginatata run. Run enter UK. On a UK. Or when you have venue, you can your word you see breath your idea. They can go pass back, go settle on. How they come to settle back? The house where Brad supposed to build for his mama. But the doctor said, this is not swear anywhere. May go build for that house. May you should go build for that house. What the doctor can't dig foundation. Comes with the build house for bright mama, late bright mama. Make it for not swear anywhere. Why don't we hold? We're talk about bright next one. Bowaje otoni ye na ya we bright in like UK. No man na you be okay. Oh, Baba, I just do my drink. I want you. Okonoge. If no book be viral. Go see bright life. Everybody will die. As young as he is. Everything now, everything you mess around no body one. So you must settle. Okomako, imomamo. Egbena go my settle here. No peace. Egbe brati trania drag brati. You go uguri. What do tata would do? Go nowhere. What do tata go do? Iyan hoba, iyan wa, iyan nyado. How iyan nyado? Not fast, we can clear you. I have Korea. I've way. I'll play everything. You cannot do anything. Okay. I thought this is the way. Same I thought this is. Go inside. Yeah, woman. Why would anyone be your video now? Do the funniest part. Do the funniest part. Why I dislike this evil woman. Now she sent this people come. Now she asked, what's Honestly, if they protect your husband, she knows same night they come. The rest of the people don't know what happened. They don't know who sent the come. And now I get on send the squad come. Pay those men. But they come scatter the place. But they come beat Christopher. You are going to own wicked, you're down. I'm going to sue them. I'm down. You only break their career. That's why you said he beat them. See all this one now we can't sleep, we can't fuck my prick. If to say I must stand myself as a man, all these people they just say their mission to poison me. Imagine that one or dead one of Papillona. When he say come and house, they call the poor piece follow my bed, follow my wardrobe. Now so me get to juju for his house. You know you are never war. You more you. Now so he poor piece for this one, he poor piece for this one. He go my kitchen, he go poor piece. Now so spirit come off my body. Where am I going to go in Libya? Oh, you don't know? If I'm going to spirit with him, oh God, you're missing. Where am I going to give me? After all this one, I still chop you, I still give me doggy. We still knock. The next thing, I pursue you from my house. Say, Favia, move. Then you go to somebody, I go to cry. No concern you. The Sylvia, when you say, now so you come on mission. You come on mission. Every day, before you come on, now so knock at the dark you. And they flog you. I see shop your toto wella. I shop the toto. I piss for inside. I pull leg. I shook leg. I push you for inside. Still pursue you come out from my house. You go me there, go they cry blood. This bulla don't go. Now also free now I shop you. I don't shop you. I won't shop you. Now you lose. Now make gain now. My wife sitting in tax. Who lose now you? The Becky mommy what I was she day yash. That one still come my house. I still wipe him. I still knock him. Show him. Vroom. I still pursue one. Who lose? Now you lose. Your toto, I don't know the diagram. Useless women. Go see her now. It doesn't bobo they go for France. Oh, when I by force you are married, there. You see all these evil women, you run away from them by fire by force. I've got to you I'm going down. I'm going to make bad destiny. I'm going to need my pay, madam. No, you worry. See the worry there. Those women, if you marry them, you're in problem. You're in problem. Because they are causa. Oh, son, that's the reason why you don't ask yourself question. They go marry, they go born, then they stay husband house. In ya gwalik bere I eke wa fi gwalik ya when I can't talk. I can't kill men when I can't care. In I working for to help you people, to help those frustrated women. In I make like why they care no why ya be called why ya okay. Ya was going what you know ya be care man. In ya mama bene a pink up in whoever a pink up in anyhow cap. Go and look at their life now. Everything is zozo. Oh man, zozo. Oh, he's solely the France again. Because of what's Oma ono. Oma ono yo boy ahu. Oma ono yo boy. I wake. Oh here has wife the webu. Even next soon. Every soon in Nigeria nowadays. No be more married liability for us again for Nigeria. No talk of abroad. You come here, come hustle. The woman come here, come hustle. My God, let's go to the street and hustle. We're going to help ourselves small. Oh, I'm winning Yanya. Okbiamu. Okbiamu are cocoa without wearing they contribute. Boba de boba. Get the slippers if you know where. Okay. Saga babozu get yati we. You think everybody get mad like Frank. What do you go fit chest? Don't go fit chest down. And the truth, if you don't make I tell you, the mentality we are get different. The mentality go down and get. My own mentality different from other men mentality. So men not go fit help your own picking. Because they go say, oh my BM, yeah, men do like that. Different mentality, not different men get. Who am I Frank? Who are going to hear like Frank here? Go out, why say go along? Okay, we along with 6 men. Where you mean? Just the fire. Just the play. What can I tell you? I'm boy down. Yeah, boy, you are there. Now he called the combo. Now see life. Now see how wicked this one they up. What they who down. They say no you see boy one of them if Christopher boy I will go down. Ah no we don't know ganyare. And they work in a tata or get assassinity. The same shit as send the assassin come. Now she say talk say ah they were not ganyare. She even excuse the husband. Now my husband be so wanna not touch him. Not for your husband to join in brother fights. You are excluding your husband for them to touch your husband when they beat your husband brother. How they hold you where it was confirmed. When she's herself use her mouth to say, I go tell you say now we get beneath. Oh God, evil woman. She sent those assassins come. May they come beat your husband, brother. Now, when those guys not succeed, they chase them. May run enter they run. Now, who sent them come? How these guys can do? That's what they say. If they side that car sees, he hang around. Now, when someone come and say, want to go buy drink, come. May give those as they told them before. Now, those guys bracket them. Now, they start. May you see how this woman, they wicked. She's not quickly run come on. Even if run come on, because no, she don't say. Either they side them, they don't get control, so they don't do their around normal level. In one fall out, now they follow on. You see, at this woman wicked rich, for example, say that man, they just speak better than that beam. Yeah, money away. I we pay social media. Salaba say ya, salaba say that ya tibogi ba me, salaba we ni na ya woni are ni. Odo a bis powder is social media ge. Dare fe mo kiki. O wo dan abie no ma, o mo dan obie no ma. O wo dan abie mo no ma mo dan obie. Just imagine. How can you be a father or a 7 children? Or is that not error? Egbe wa gino tara you here. Obia like be on a soon. Obia mama Roma. Ek maman, ije a passport ya where open marketing manager. I can be what you wire. It's okay. Evil that may do. After using what girls for prostitution, end up be selling small clothes at mom with passport for hand for a market here. They never work for abroad. They all sit down to use our women for prostitution. They go to form madam, mama the mama. With the sweat of our young girls, the future wife of our children. They frustrate all of them. See them for Europe. One pick for back. One pick back. No good homes for them. No good homes. They just be like, ga. So they are frustrated. Now, brother, you will see where woman dream past man. Out of frustration. Depression. Where you this and put them. Use the swear armor of swear. Frustrate their life. Some of them, they cannot even reproduce again. No picking. After many years of prostitution abroad, don't work heaven and earth. No issue. How will you listen here or the other boy? But you have a boy and I have a boy. Ni a bemule before I not before. Ni a twice the quick way, not twice the quick book. But why am man? Why? Why am man? Why? When I went to my mama, tell me how your own better, you don't be God. Every day for thief, one day for the owner of the house. You don't ask yourself one question, say, why your name not being finished for media? Because our ancestors will keep on disgracing you and your entire household until you go and ask for forgiveness. Maybe just imagine the I mean, what be just only one you see the liquid. When you want to cross, you want your yiki. Pa. What before? You drive it, man. Otilo, you don't go. That's the end. This is how you see many guys have been wasted on the street today. You don't go know who send them. Person like me, when you talk so, if me lad today, Wagelotata with Julia Mite and Wagelotata, they're ready to use their toto, sell them for killer. When I go keep frack. Anyhow, I don't want to see I'm breathe. When I cut the head, come give me for us. May I take up the soup? But unfortunately, you go their move. That's the problem. You understand? That's the problem. When you are who was because what they in pain. So their secret is being exposed. And I'll continue to expose my secrets. Until I change from my evil ways. Okunere go know that for him. Gbe. Gbogbo mo yan mi so be na. Boy. Mota. Go market. There is never a way a Julie meeting. There is never a way no matter why no matter why like this. Now me to come. If you assume stop, I don't say my own stubbornness. Now follow come. I not let that person hand. Now follow come. Yeah, I'm going to do book. No matter how you come again from Sabutana. This one go too rough. Don't play. Only na causa. Hey Julie, oh I no bo. Why you here? My own you do. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, let me read comments. Nobody listen to me. Okay. Can I make listen to me? The line doesn't put the list to me. Wow. Okay. Of course now. The phone call give me for your house before. Not my house, the phone give me. Wait till me get your husband not get them. Or the phone no more was the one. It kept won't have the phone anyone. Cause keep me my woo. May you kun ya love your cool. May you kun ya love your cool was sally kayo. You understand? Wow. I'm not block you. Ciao. Ego, if I block no verse. You understand? You just deserve to be blocked. I'm so sorry for blocking you. But you deserve to be what? To be blocked. So that you can use the next door. Use the next door. I just decided to have this comment. I want to go block wrong person. Once you order that comment, Frank enter house. Whether na your house, I dare me if you tell me. Move block all that comment. I did my house, so you can answer. Which was that's one time bush? I imagine. I did my house. This is the same kind of house. Come kind of bush. Alright, now, guys, join me later. How many minutes time? I look time. I'll come back later. Come back later. I want to come and talk to somebody. I want to come and zanzan or boo. No get we. Your native daughter never. Your native daughter. Shame and get on type of you. You know why? Hey we. I'll market about your native daughter. I was thinking by now. You don't talk to your native daughter. Having no sense to people. Boom, 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 boom. Atuare, o hama mo de ma be ko.
Yes. If the men will have a gem, your name you by market. When a marry, go marry, when in the head. When you marry, go marry, black one. Or my say, Mommy, I know what you do now. So when white, then I will hear me. I only say, or you say, only say. You reply for a live video. Mama, I will run or reply where Mama. You too big. Not be like they tell you what to that you. Not gonna do this.
I'm gonna look past the face. I saw you just do my drink. All right, let me leave you guys and I'll come back later. Listen. Obo, or what up was she asking for DNA tests? So, whosoever imagine think say Obo still get problem for your house. Oh, Baba, social media do well. Whoever think say Adeboye, good luck. Still get problem for your house. Even they face people problem, never face your own. Relationship expert, relationship therapy, not into relationship. It don't break your heart. Can you imagine? Marriage counselor, don't go divorce. Wahala. Who want to fight for Obona? Now we be say he will they fight for the less privileged. Human rights activist. Who want to activist for Obo? Question mark. Later, they come back. We need to talk about it. It's very, very important. Because why? If we don't have more ayaziri. Now what do we see for this life? Now they give example. That's why you see say all this when we are the beat so now they are rubbish what they do those days. When we see the drive back for Ogbowo, Oluku, Uselu, or permission extension, Lawani Clues. It is not a lucky wave. Boba slow, Adwawa. Now that time, they do this all this rubbish. Now that time I tell you one. Now that time I tell you one. All this people they talk so when I day here, for you Bini, ya dozy now. But today, I they use how they wear them because now legacy they don't live for grant. Their children will come out. They'll come hear their story of their mama, how their mother, their adulterous woman, how they take bogan or some to when the husband can catch her. People go hear her and creating her with better style. Oh, I thought again. Let me leave you guys and I will see you guys later. Bye bye for now.